Yo, what's up guys? In today's video, as the title says, we're going to be doing a room tour, I guess, and this is my university in China, so it might look a bit different from you guys, and I have a lot of weird stuff in my, in my room, so yeah,
Wait a minute.
we're gonna start here, and this is the normal stuff you guys know: my monitor, laptop, keyboard, blah blah blah. But this one is like the light. I did it in a poor way. Like after I did it, I was like, there was a better way to do it because it's not that good looking, you feel me? But I just use it when I sleep, what I sit on when I play. And you guys always know I always need something on my ass, bro. Like apart from the basic stuff, this Vaseline, you know, for when I'm about to Vaseline, my phone. I always have like a water bottle on the table somehow, because if I eat or like I'm playing or just anything. My Bible, number one, it's literally always like this side, like not on my mouse pad, it's here sometimes, but I gotta add this, you feel me? Nothing else there. Table. This is the guitar. This is the guitar I bought. This is the guitar I bought, you know, like when I was trying to learn how to play the guitar. But there's a different, hold up. There's a different guitar you guys have seen me with. You know the white one that I did for that introduction? Here's the introduction. Let me give you a bar. Yeah. Yo, subscribe to my YouTube, Shape of 5. If you don't, I will not be happy. So please do it for me. This is kind of cringe, so I'm gonna stop. So this one is like a cheap version. Let's say, for example, I don't know how much a normal guitar is in dollars, but let's say, for example, a normal guitar is $800. This one was like $120, so you know it doesn't sound the same. Just wait, I'm gonna play it for y'all, and let's see. Like it sounds. Can y'all see that? Wait, hold on. Hold on. Wait. You see? It doesn't sound that good, but hey man, it's better than nothing. Then let's try like chords. It's good enough, I guess, but I was living like at my brother's place for like 7 months, so like I was playing that guitar, and that one is really good. So when I came back to school like a month ago, then I got back to this guitar. It sounded a bit weird, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, we go over here to my bed. Nothing special unless you guys want to see me in it. Okay. For the creeps out there, I'm gonna give it to y'all. Hold on. Who calling me, bro? Interruption, but y'all happy now? Weirdos. Bro, calling my phone again, my guy. Yo, what's up guys? I'm back again. Can you believe the call took a long time? And I had Bible study like, y'all see that? I just finished Bible study, so we're gonna continue with the video, okay? Like 2 hours apart. I don't know where I stopped. I think it was something with a bed, you know what I'm saying?
Stop it.
My bed, I think I showed you guys this stuff already. My window, I live on campus. There's a mirror here and there's some gym stuff here, but that's a burger shop, if you can see that. But yeah, we got my skateboard over here. Not a skateboard, a longboard actually. I haven't used it in a while and it's pretty dirty, but yeah, I really like longboards more than skateboards. I don't know why, because you can do like tricks and like dance on them, and I like dancing, so but yeah, summer is coming now. Like it was snowing a lot. Let me not show you guys this and me talking. It was snowing a lot, so I didn't use it obviously, and it's still a bit cold outside. So the more like warmer it's getting, I'm gonna start skating again. I'm probably bad now because I used to be like kind of good, you know. I used to be kind of good, but now, who knows? This one is just fun, I don't know, and it's long. I was about to say I like long stuff, but
That's what she said.
put that back right there. Actually, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go over to this side. You feel me? This is where I keep my shoes. Look, this is a 2-bedroom, right? It's a hostel, but it's like for 2 people. So like a bed's supposed to be here and a bed's supposed to be there. You feel me? So this, where I put my shoes in, is literally this thing. You feel me? So yeah, my shoes. I think my shoes are pretty dirty. This is my basketball shoes. One of them, I don't know the name. People keep asking me, bro, your shoes, blah, blah. I don't know the name. Timberlands. You see, nothing fancy. Like, I'm using a bed to make a shoe stand. You feel me? Bro, my camera be dying, bro. Anyway, yeah, I use a bed to make a shoe stand. This is the other shoe. I think I played basketball with it yesterday. It's pretty good, actually. I think it's getting old, though. But yeah, this Jordans is kind of dirty. The only reason it's dirty right now is because I'm not sure how to clean it, you feel me? I went to like a party thing. I don't know how to clean it because the material is not like, it's like, the material is like this one actually. It's like this one, kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, but not like rubber or something. And yeah, this is my other shoe. Pretty nice as well. I guess I like Jordans, or I like high tops basically. I don't like low tops. I don't have any low top shoes. This one as well, pretty bussin'. I don't have like those big names like Gucci and stuff because they all look ugly to me. This one too. I'm gonna buy more shoes, but this one is like really dirty. I used this one last week to go to a party, but yeah, I don't go to parties every time, guys. So don't be like, oh my god, he's a party boy. Nah. You can see like gym stuff. I've never used this before. This ab thing. I have abs, but this is just on a different level, my guy. Water dispenser, flour. This is rice. Yeah, let's go back to that side. You feel me? What to show you guys here? Oh, you wanna see inside my cup? Nah, bro. That's the cover of the monitor box. This is a bed warmer for winter. Toilet roll. This says, "Are you prepared to meet God?" That's a question for I ask myself. Then this one says, "This is a hotel. Not my home. Heaven is my home. Jesus is my reward." W Riz, you feel me? We get here. I've never actually sat here before. Maybe when I got to university like 4 years ago, but I don't sit here. This chair is even broken. But yeah, this wallet, books. I don't use books anymore. My old laptop. Like I like when I was playing Fortnite on this, I couldn't even like go in game. I had to play in creative with the most stretch res ever on 60 resolution. No, on 30 resolution. Bro, it was just bad. This is HSK. For y'all that don't know, this is Chinese. Learning Chinese. Chinese. This is HSK 3, but I don't have the HSK 4 textbook. But yeah. Water, so I don't have to be like, I normally put the water over there, like, you know, a new box, but then I put it here, so I don't have to be going there to fetch it. I'll just go here and fetch it. I also keep some water in the fridge. Stuff. Useless. This is a pressure cooker actually, but I use it to make rice. You feel me? Because for us foreigners, we're allowed to cook in the dorm. Can y'all see me, bro? We're allowed to cook in the dorm, but Chinese students are not allowed to cook in the dorm. Y'all feel me? But yeah. Then this is like the gym stuff, I guess. Not really that serious. It's not really that heavy, but I'm trying to like keep adding weight. You know, I'm improvising. I'm putting weights over here. But yeah, nothing. Toaster, stuff for potato, fridge, jackets. I hang my key over there if you can see my key. Bathroom, it's closed for a reason. But yeah, that's my room tour, I guess. Oh yeah, wait, hold on. Let me show you guys. Look. This is what it looks like, right? Then this is what it looks like. But I only use it I only use it when the lights are off, so like I can sleep with it. Like I'm never sitting here, right? I'm never sitting here and just like with the lights turned off and playing games like that. I don't do that. It's gonna hurt my eyes. So it's only here like when I know I'm standing off of this place and going to my bed to like maybe watch something on my phone or sleep, basically. And yeah, that's the video, man. You know what I'm saying, man? If y'all want me to do like a vlog or like see my school or like other stuff, cause right now, to be honest, man, Fortnite ain't shit. I'm not really doing too much Fortnite. I'm not really playing Fortnite cause I'm focusing on my thesis and stuff like that. School. If you don't know what the thesis is, you're probably in primary school. But if you don't know what primary school is, you're in what do they call it in America or something? Is it elementary school? Yeah, probably elementary or high school too, but that's the video. I hope you guys like, subscribe, share, comment in the comment section what you want me to do next, you know what I'm saying? Zesty. Bye, seriously, like comment what you want me to do next, and yeah, peace out.